So, in the news, we've heard some interesting things. We've heard that in 1 year in Los Angeles, ice cream sales were up to 10,000 ice cream sales per summer, and there were 10 shark attacks. In another year in Los Angeles, there were 2,000 ice cream sales and only 2 shark attacks. And people are starting to wonder, are shark attacks related to ice cream sales? Maybe sharks like ice cream flavored people. I don't know. But if you look at other data, we pull some data from Miami to say, hey, is this just a West Coast phenomenon? And sure enough, in Miami, the sales were 10,000 and the shark attacks were up to 10 that year. And then another year, the ice cream sales were only 1,000 and there was only 1 shark attack. Well, that seems like a pretty clear correlation between ice cream sales and shark attacks. And so we're going to actually use some data to study sharks and ice cream because clearly there's something going on with the sharks and the ice cream at our beach cities. And so let's take a look at some charts so we can see if we can tell the story of what's going on in these cities. And so the data we're going to look at is this data file here. And what it has is it has city, state, year, shark attacks, ice cream sales, and high temperature for the year, by year, from 2010 through 2019. So a 10-year period for several different cities: Los Angeles, Honolulu, San Diego, Myrtle Beach, Virginia Beach, Ocean City, Santa Cruz, all over the coasts of the United States. So we're interested in understanding what's going on and seeing if that trend holds true in all of these.